Hello, my name is Joe Halfman and I am a Senior Solution Consultant with fourTENS. I'd like to show you how we can really improve the look and feel of a K2 Smartform by just using the features and functionality that's available with the table control. So let's take, for example, here's your typical smart form that somebody would build out using the current capabilities within Smartforms where we lay out different views on a form. So for example, I have a contact view here, and I have an address view, a settings view, and maybe some workflow information here. And as you can see, K2 out of the box, we can show or we can collapse and expand our views and such. And as we do, we leave quite a bit of white space there, as well as perhaps I would like to take my address, move it underneath my contact, and maybe have the workflow instances in the center, so we kind of have a three-column layout, which you see is very common in more of your modern web interfaces. Well, it is possible to do this without any real complexity or adding a whole bunch of JavaScript or CSS or anything like that. We can take advantage of the table control, and ultimately what we'd like to do is come up with an interface that looks like this. So believe it or not, this actually is a K2 Smartform. And instead of using all these different views and putting them on the form, what we've done is we've taken the different views, if you want to call it that, and put them into these tables. And the tables are nested inside each other so that we get this nice look and feel as you see here. So you'll see on the left-hand side, we've got two different, I'll call them views. And on the right-hand side, I have another view. And in the middle, I have this view here. And what I've done is each of these different columns have a specified width. So our width in the left and the right columns is like 350 pixels, whereas the middle column here is what we say is set to auto, so they'll automatically size itself. Nice thing too is with the ability to leverage these tables is you can stack views like this over here, and if I do collapse this by just basically hiding the table which contains the controls of the information we're showing, you'll see it doesn't have any effect on the middle view. So in this way we can circumvent that limitation that K2 Smartforms has, where we can have to put things kind of in that grid layout. That concludes this session. It's just a brief look at showing you what's possible using the out-of-the-box table control with K2 to really improve the look and feel of your forms. In the next session, I'll do a deep dive into how we actually built out this view using the standard table.